Welcome back everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a HTTP Hysteria server and a slow HTTP server, and then set them up on the HTTP Injector VPN app for stable and reliable browsing. Whether your goal is to improve connection speed or strengthen privacy, this guide keeps everything simple and beginner-friendly. Let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type HTTP Injector and select the official app from the results. Tap Install to download it. For iPhone users, open the App Store, search for HTTP Injector, and install the same app. Once installation is complete, open the app. You'll now see the main home screen of the VPN client. Next, we'll create the HTTP Hysteria server. Open any web browser such as Chrome or Firefox, and in the search bar type SSL Tunnel official site, then press enter. From the results, tap the official SSL Tunnel website. Once you're on the home page, open the menu and choose HTTP Hysteria. You'll be redirected to the HTTP Hysteria account setup page. Enter your username and password, complete the CAPTCHA, and tap Create Server. After a few seconds, your server will be created successfully. Copy the server details. We'll need them shortly for configuration. Go back to the HTTP Injector app. Open the protocol type section and select Hysteria from the list, then tap Save. Next, tap the gear icon to open settings, choose Hysteria again, and start the setup. You'll see 3 types listed, version 1, version 2, and slow HTTP. Choose whichever version you prefer. Tap the plus icon at the top to import your copied server configuration. Once pasted, it will automatically fill in the required fields. After saving your configuration, return to the main screen and tap Start to connect. The app will now attempt to connect to the server you created. You can view the connection log by swiping to the left or simply wait for the connection status to show as active. To confirm that your VPN is working properly, open your browser and visit a site such as whatsmyipaddress.com. Check your IP address before and after connecting. If it changes, your VPN setup is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully created and configured both HTTP Hysteria and slow HTTP servers and linked them with the HTTP Injector VPN client for a smoother,